three-dimensional market and my next journey. I'm going to take you out in the car to show you the most exciting thing that has ever been purchased in the history of excitement. And my wife doesn't agree, but it's amazing. Come on. Right, let's get the car. Dum, 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 dum. My neighbours think I'm weird. I really don't care. Right, so this is my very first wood turning lathe. I'm so excited. Zoe is not excited. I am very excited. So I've got myself Spock. Guy wanted to talk for it. It's an entry level turning lathe, power girl. It's there. Place, etc. for it. So it's a good starting place. So when I got there, the guy said, "Oh, I've got some chisels too." Because I haven't got the chisels. And yeah, there's the chisels. So apparently he listed the chisel separately a few weeks ago. Sold the chisels a few weeks ago on the spot, but the person didn't collect all the well, I want some chisels. And he wanted 30 quid for them, and I said, well, would you take £30 for the lot? And he said, yes. Because I'm into turning and kind of knew what I was talking about. But these chisels are, even if the lathe is garbage, these chisels are worth so much more than £30. They are they are proper expensive, really Made them all out. Just keep going. Right. So there are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20 turning chisels. Look at these pieces. Look at it. Insane. I like a 2-inch blade. Imagine how much material you could strip off turning with a 2-inch blade. And there's 2 of them. We need cleaning up. The screws. Look at the screws. Can you tell I'm excited? I am really excited. Even if the lathe is garbage, 30 quid for all of these, you can say, I'm going to restore them all up, sand down the handles, linseed them all, properly clean them all up. It's just beautiful. The lathe itself has a very, very small diameter, I reckon. The maximum to be able to turn on it is probably about 6 inches. It's more of a fiddler lathe than anything else. Got some instructions. So there's a power drill, mounted wood turning blade, operating instructions there. So very, very basic. But I'll just see if I can get a drill for it. That might help me if I can use. And it's just mounted for it. So it's not going to be for heavy duty turning, just like simple stuff. I'll start out with some like basic volume. Got some little bits of those just to do a little basic volume. But so even if that's not particularly amazing, it's not amazing alright. Most of the look! Chisels! Amazing. I've wanted a lathe for so long, and I did some turning last year. Really enjoyed it. I had my bolt that I turned. That was my first turning bolt that I did last year, which I did at Aldridge Shed, and I really enjoyed doing it. Roughly with that. Yeah, I could probably do about that sort of diameter size bowl for this, but really enjoyed learning to turn. But what sort of stopped me from carrying on more was I didn't have my own chisels, and I don't like using other people's tools. I mean, some of these are very sharpening. They do, but they need properly cleaning. But that's a little mini project in itself. To polish all of these, sand down all the handles. Yeah, so I'm really excited. So hopefully, when the weather gets a bit warmer, I'll be doing some turning. Right, so that's it. That was my adventure today. So the unconventional market was decent. It was all right, but this was brilliant. This has made my day. I'm so excited. So again, as usual, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, and you want to see more videos from me, like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. Okay, Wednesday videos is Q&A day, so if you've got any questions for me, please comment below or message me on Facebook or Instagram or whatever, and I will answer any questions, no matter how weird, bizarre or unusual. But thanks for watching. Bye.